Have you ever wondered how to make studying more efficient? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. It's called mind mapping. Now you may be asking, what is a mind map? A mind map is a visual representation of your thoughts, centered around a single concept. It's like a tree with many branches, each representing a different aspect of the main idea. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of mind mapping. First things first, identify your main idea or topic. This is the heart of your mind map, the trunk of your tree. Write it down in the center of a blank piece of paper. Bold it, underline it, circle it, do whatever you need to make it stand out. Next, start brainstorming subtopics. These are the big branches that will sprout from your trunk. They should be related to your main idea, but distinct enough to stand on their own. Write these around your main idea, connecting them with lines to show their relationship to the central topic. Now comes the fun part, adding the leaves to your branches. These are the specific details, facts, or ideas that relate to each subtopic. Draw lines from each subtopic to these smaller points, creating a web of interconnected thoughts. Once you have your basic structure, it's time to get creative. Use different colors for each branch to help distinguish between them. Add images or symbols that represent each idea. This not only makes your mind map more visually appealing, but it also aids in recall. And there you have it, a mind map. But what's the point of creating one, you ask? Well, mind maps are a great way to organize information in a way that our brains naturally process. They encourage creative thinking, enhance memory, and can make studying a more engaging process. Plus, they're just plain fun to create. In summary, creating a mind map involves identifying a central idea, brainstorming subtopics, detailing specific points related to each subtopic, and then adding color and images to bring it all to life. It's a flexible tool that can adapt to any subject or project, making it a must-have in your study toolkit. So, the next time you're faced with a mountain of information to memorize or a complex topic to understand, give mind mapping a try. You might be surprised by how much more efficient your studying becomes. Remember, learning isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding ideas, making connections, and exploring new ways of thinking. And mind maps are a perfect tool to help you do just that. So start mind mapping and transform the way you learn.